Welcome to R1Soft, continuous data protection for Windows and Linux servers. We're going to look at the control panel support for CDP 3.0. To configure support for cPanel, Plesk, or Virtuozzo, you need to create or edit a policy. Once under the policies, you can either create a new policy or edit an existing policy. We're going to edit the Virtuozzo policy and then click on the Control Panels tab. You can add a control panel instance, or you can edit an existing control panel, verify, disable, or delete the control panel. Here we're editing the cPanel control panel. See, under the type, when you register the control panel, you can specify if it's cPanel, Plesk, or Virtuozzo. If it's located within a Virtuozzo container, you need to specify the container ID and then click Save. If the control panel you want to register is a Virtuozzo server, there's nothing to specify under the advanced options. When the end users want to restore something from the container, they can do so by navigating to their control panel URL and specify their own server credentials. Part of the login URL can be found in the lower pane of the selected policy. So we'll copy this part of the URL and add it to the CDP server address. Any browser will paste in the CDP server address and the control panel login URL. Type in your control panel credentials. Once you've been authenticated, you'll be presented with the recovery points. You can browse and select from any of the previous recovery points and select to download the container as a tar or zip file, or you can restore the archive as a tar or zip file to the container itself. You can specify if you want the CDP to generate a file name or if you want to specify a file name for the archive. If you specify to send the agent archive to the agent, it will be restored directly into your home directory. Thank you for taking the time to look at R1Soft and the CDP server software. If you'd like to find out more about R1Soft, please visit www.r1soft.com or contact your sales rep at sales@r1soft.com.